Chris Parker with the C3 Connected Car Council, and I'm here at our Connected Car Conference in New York, and I'm with John Suh from Hyundai Ventures. And John, what brings you to New York this week?
So I'm here at the Connected Car Council event in New York to talk about cars, connectivity, and new business models, and what's happening with technology in cars.
And today you spoke on a panel regarding data privacy and security. What were your thoughts about this topic and its importance in the automotive industry?
Well, it's an emerging topic, and any time you get talking about connectivity, cars, you immediately get into the questions of data security and data privacy. So I think it's a fundamental underlying issue in regards to all manner of current and future business models and features and products that we as a car industry might do in the connected cars. So talking about security and privacy is important, even though it's still emerging. We need to talk about what are the issues, what are the problems, what are the pitfalls, but also what are the benefits and promises of the connected car.
And for consumers who have questions about the connected car and safeguarding their privacy and security, working for a major car manufacturer, what can you tell consumers that kind of alleviate those concerns, or what the car industry is trying to do to be responsible and so on?
Well, I think the first thing is to just be honest and say that we as an industry and car companies as part of that industry are entering a new era of business and relationships to our customers, and just to be very honest about that. The second thing is to point out that we as an industry, I think car companies, at least some of us, recognize the cross-company nature of the problem of security and privacy. So we worked with the Global Automaker Alliance and other consortiums to come together as an industry to talk about what are the issues, what are the concerns, what should we be thinking about as car companies in this area of privacy. The other thing I would mention that is that car companies in general, I think historically speaking, have recognized the need for trust and quality and kind of honesty about the car product and quality. For instance, I would say the car safety and driver protection and crash safety systems is something that we provide as an industry to provide that sort of safe, secure experience in our cars. And so I would like to communicate that we as an industry want to build upon that heritage, if you will. We understand that data privacy, data security are different, but we do have a heritage, at least in terms of physical safety, physical security.
And your company is doing some amazing innovation work right now too. Earlier this year, the announcement about being able to accommodate Apple and Android operating systems.
That's right.
Can you talk a little bit about what that means and how that separates you from a lot of other car companies?
Yeah, I would say, we've already released Android Auto in our cars in the Sonata this year. The Apple CarPlay is imminent. I can't say a date specifically, but it's soon. So I think having both Android Auto and CarPlay is a recognition that smartphones are a part of our customers' experience, and we want to provide the ability to use those devices in as safe as a convenient way possible. We understand that there are other ways of interacting with that data, in particular just using the phone by itself, but we think by using Android Auto and or CarPlay will be as safe and as convenient method as possible. And so Hyundai and Kia together, Kia Motors, Hyundai Motor Company together, I think we were the first to go to production with Android Auto.
Sure.
And I'm not sure what the time of CarPlay is, but we were there in the forefront to introduce those features into the market before anybody else, in mass.
Got it. That's fantastic. Thank you. Thank
You're
you for being
welcome.
here.
Thanks, Chris.